What's up, YouTube? Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be working on my Acura TSX. I'm going to be installing new headlights for it, and stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to start unboxing it to make sure everything arrives safely. So this is the before. As you can see that the clear coat is starting to chip away on both sides. And I'm also not a big fan of the orange. Alright, so for the first thing you want to do is take off the bumper. You're going to have 12 clips that pops out around the top. And at the very top on both sides, you're going to have one 10mm bolt. At the bottom, you're going to have one 10mm bolt on both sides. So now once you get your bumper off, you're gonna have 3 bolts. Your first one's at the very top. The second bolt is on the side. And the third bolt is what holds on this bracket right there at the bottom. All of them are 10mm. So make sure you unplug your side marker, your turn signal, and your high beam. And at the very bottom, you're gonna unplug the ballast. And I also want to point out what made this install very difficult was this hole right here was not drilled out big enough where this is sit down to line up. For some reason, this piece would still not line up with the 3 bolt holes. So right now I'm only putting 1 screw in to hold it on, and I'm not a big fan of that. Everything else lines up perfect. This is a before, and this is the after. All right, so don't mind the wheels. I just picked these up, but this is the after with both of them in. And I just really like the way these look. So much cleaner. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for the ones who watched it, and y'all have a great day.